Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 KNIPEX tools that stand out for their power, precision, and smart design. Get ready to see some real game changers for your toolbox. ErgoStrip. The ErgoStrip is a fast, precise cable stripper for common round, damp-proof, data, and coax cables. Its ergonomic pistol grip design and slim conical ends allow easy cutting, stripping, and longitudinal sheath cuts, even in tight spaces. The multi-component handle with a soft plastic zone ensures comfort and secure grip. DP50 Pipe Cutter. The DP50 Pipe Cutter cuts and chamfers 32, 40, and 50 millimeter drain pipes cleanly and effortlessly. Its reversible steel blade requires no tools to replace and handles plastic pipes up to 2.4 millimeters thick, ensuring smooth, precise cuts without deburring. Self-adjusting rollers provide stable, easy operation, ideal for fast, professional pipe installation and maintenance, built for durability and consistent performance on site. Pipe Cutter. The Pipe Cutter reduces cutting effort by up to 60% with its freely rotating wheel, ensuring clean, precise cuts with minimal deformation. Wide supports allow right-angled cuts, and it handles plastic and aluminum composite pipes up to 26 millimeters, including thicker layered pipes like Geberit Mepla. A locking mechanism ensures safe transport, while ergonomic handles provide comfort and control. Robust 34. The Robust 34 is a 34-liter, 25-kilogram capacity case with 93 inserting options, built for tough conditions. Dust-proof, waterproof, and temperature-resistant, it features a lockable base tray with adjustable dividers, tool boards with pockets and straps, a document compartment, padlock eyelets, and an air pressure compensation valve. KNIPEX BiX. The KNIPEX BiX is a compact, shavings-free pipe cutter designed for fast, precise work. It easily cuts high-temperature plastic drain pipes and electrical conduits and can trim ceiling sleeves close to the wall in compliance with standards. Suitable for unreinforced plastic pipes from 20 to 50 millimeters, with wall thickness up to 2.4 millimeters, and soft or foam core pipes up to 3.5 millimeters. It offers clean, efficient cutting in a comfortable, ergonomic design. MultiCrimp. The MultiCrimp is a professional, universal crimping tool for photovoltaic systems, combining 3 interchangeable dies in one device. It crimps MC4, EVO 2 connectors, uninsulated cable connectors, and wire ferrules quickly and accurately, with dies easily swapped without extra tools. It ensures consistently high-quality crimps via precision dies and an unlockable ratchet mechanism. StepCut. The StepCut cable cutter from KNIPEX features an innovative step blade that cuts solid cables up to 5 by 4 millimeters squared, multi-core cables up to diameter 15 millimeters, and both copper and aluminum cables. Its design prevents cable crushing and requires 40% less force than standard cutters. Available with plastic-coated, composite, or VDE-tested insulated handles. TwinForce. The TwinForce diagonal cutters are high-performance, compact tools with up to 39 times manual force reinforcement, cutting everything from fine copper wire to piano wire with over 50% less effort than similar cutters. At just 180 millimeters long and 280 grams, they combine precision machine forged guide bolts, ergonomic multi-component handles, and durable construction for long service life and optimal results. PreciForce. The PreciForce crimping tool features multi-component handles and factory-calibrated crimping pressure, which can be readjusted if needed. Its compact, lightweight design and ergonomically shaped handles provide excellent handling and comfortable use. Ideal for precise, reliable crimps in professional applications, built for durability and consistent performance over long-term use. TubiX S Pipe Cutter. The KNIPEX TubiX S Pipe Cutter combines enhanced grip power with a self-locking mechanism, offering 30% greater holding force for tough jobs while minimizing slippage. Its smooth parallel jaws protect pipe surfaces from damage, and quick button-accessible adjustments make it ready for varied tasks in moments. Manufactured in Germany, it ensures durability, high performance, and reliable use even under demanding professional conditions. Long-reach needle nose pliers. The long-reach needle nose pliers 28 X1280 are designed for precise gripping and assembly work, offering high prehensile power in a slim, elongated form. Their long, narrow design allows access to low-lying or tight spaces, making them ideal for repair and installation tasks where conventional tools cannot reach. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort and control during extended use. Pliers pliers. The Pliers pliers are designed for precise cutting or breaking of floor and wall tiles after scoring, reducing dust, noise, and effort. Their replaceable plastic positioning jaw ensures clean break lines and protects tiles from damage, while parallel jaws amplify user force up to 10 times. Easily adjustable to 17 tile thickness settings, they are made from forged, oil-hardened German chrome vanadium steel with non-slip plastic grips. PreciStrip. The KNIPEX PreciStrip 16 allows simple, precise stripping of fine wires and solid round cables from 0.08 to 16 mm squared with a single pair of pliers. Semi-circular grooved metal clamps provide secure grip, while the parabolic stripping blade ensures exact cuts. A patented automatic mechanism regulates cutting depth, with an adjustable neutral point for special conditions, such as insulation type or temperature. KNIPEX Pipe Cutter. The KNIPEX Pipe Cutter is designed for cutting composite pipes from 0 to 12 to 25 millimeters, delivering clean, smooth, and burr-free cuts. It features an exchangeable blade, opening spring, and locking device, with ergonomically shaped handles made of glass fiber reinforced plastic. Not suitable for cutting cables. Its compact, lightweight design ensures comfortable use even in tight spaces. Self-adjusting crimping pliers. The self-adjusting crimping pliers offer increased capacity, crimping single-wire ferrules up to 16 mm squared and twin-wire ferrules up to 2 by 10 mm squared. The hexagonal crimp produces a near-round shape ideal for tight connections, while the automatic adjustment adapts to ferrules up to 10 square millimeters. For larger sizes, the adjusting wheel provides easy manual setting. Crimp Assortment. The Crimp Assortment comes in a durable Thanos mini sustainer with 2 stackable inserts, each containing 6 trays for connectors. It includes a selection of wire ferrules with and without collars for versatile crimping tasks. CoBolt. The CoBolt compact bolt cutter delivers exceptional cutting performance for soft wire, steel wire, and piano wire, as well as screws, nails, and rivets up to 5.2 millimeters in diameter. Its lever-action design ensures powerful cuts with minimal effort, while induction-hardened cutting edges provide long-lasting sharpness. ComStrip. The ComStrip is a self-adjusting cable stripping tool designed for effortless and precise work on common cable sizes. The updated version features an integrated cable cutter that handles finely stranded wires up to 6 millimeters squared. It has an ergonomic dual-component handle for comfortable and low-strain use. An adjustable length stop from 6 to 18 millimeters ensures consistent stripping results. Super Knips. The Super Knips are VDE-tested precision pliers for fine cutting work in electronics and precision mechanics. They feature very sharp, bevel-free cutting edges for ultra-precise cuts. A controlled micro-cutting edge offset ensures accuracy even on the thinnest wires and extends service life. The precisely shaped tips can cut wires as small as 0.2 millimeters in diameter. Cobra XS. The Cobra XS offers optimal accessibility in confined spaces with its compact design and slim head. It allows one-handed fine adjustment by simply pushing, making it easy to adapt to different workpiece sizes. With a gripping capacity of 28 millimeters in width across flats up to 24 millimeters, it measures only 100 millimeters in length. The box joint provides high durability and precise guidance. That's it for our list of 20 KNIPEX tools that truly impress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tool highlights and reviews.